guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here and we're gonna slay. It's Saturday and I'm going on a date, true date with the hubs. So yeah, so I'm gonna create a nice look. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement,
So I think today we're gonna use Escape the Ordinary from Cara Beauty. I know I use these a lot because I get them from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I think, yeah, TJ Maxx, Marshall, and they're so inexpensive. And today the lovely beauty looks like so. So I think I'm gonna go in with Far Away, which is this shade right here. So let's go in. And I'm gonna use an E13 to do that. She also has a nice mirror, so I can just use the mirror. So I thought this was gonna be darker actually. It looks hella dark in the pan, but not when you put it on. Okay, so this is actually 210 from Makeup by Yolondo. I'm trying to see if I can get a little bit more like pop. I know this color is very. I thought, see how dark it looks in the pan. I really thought it was gonna be like darker, but I guess not. Yeah, I don't know about this, but we're here and we're just gonna keep it pushing. We'll see what happens. So 214 for Makeup by Yolondo. I'm just gonna like try to buff the edges a little bit. See, this is not gonna do this, but you know what, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is not a care, like not a care in the world, and then I'm just gonna tap this right here. And then we're gonna go back. This just look like a whole big giant like pink look, but we're gonna make it work. So that's a T83 from Makeup Shack. I don't know, like usually I really like these palettes, but I don't know about this one. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna use my makeup oil and cut the crease. This is taking forever. This is taking forever. I know. This is like wow. And that's why I do cut crease like a lot, because I still feel like I need some practice. So yeah, why not? Because that's the only way you're gonna get better, guys. Something you're not good at, you just keep doing it and doing it. Like in Finding Nemo, just keep swimming.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming.
Or the Energizer bunny. Going and going and going, and you'll get it eventually. Let me take my order brush, which is my CC10, and that's what I'm gonna use to just like carve out the entire crease. Sending my husband a text. Yep, So let's see. I don't know, man. I didn't like this pink. So let's see what this palette has to give. This is an R39 from Morphe. I'm just putting like a little base because I feel like my shimmers work better when I put a base, like an actual shadow base, like so. And then where's my glitter glue? What is my glitter glue? Same thing at the back of my hands. Okay, now let's go in. Let's see what these shimmers are gonna do, because man, I did not like the matte. So let's see if the shimmer is gonna bring it home. So first, I think this is very glittery and chunky. I'm gonna go into this shade that's a Pure Bliss. So that's a glitter. Oh my god. That's not a shimmer. That's a glitter. I hate glitters. Not the business. And now I'm gonna go into No Rules, you know, which is like perfect for makeup because it's like there's no rules in makeup. No rules. No rules in makeup. You just do whatever you want to do. And something doesn't work out. I don't know, that this might not be my favorite look. I don't know how I feel about this. Like this shade is so dark. I feel like on light it's even like washing it down a bit. This is hella dark in the pan. But on here not so much. Okay, so that's fine. I like how it looks. So that's it guys. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so we're back and let's jump into this. I can't remember what primer I'm using, but it does leave a kind of like a white cast. Actually, maybe it could be the sunscreen as well, which I'm using this sunscreen. I think it's more this, which leaves a white cast, but you know what? It's fine. We'll make it work. This is an E34 from Morphe and this is hella watery. Oh my god, yep. So this is too dark maybe. And they say it's light to medium coverage, which I can totally see because my skin is picking through this. So guys, this foundation is too dark for me. Yeah. So I need a light foundation concealer because we have to make this work. I can see all my pores. Then I'm gonna use my Fashion Fear because I need something really dark because my foundation is really dark. And let's blend this. This is a E34, which I love to blend this. You just temp it. Okay, let's blend out this concealer. This concealer is actually really thick, but I wanted something really light, and this is the lightest concealer that I have. Because I haven't really been buying like really light concealers, because I kind of, you know, going from that a bit. But today your girl need that. And guys, that's a way you can fix your foundation if it's really dark like this one. Like going in for a really light concealer. Okay, and now I'm just gonna, not this one, just stamp everything together so it doesn't look so crazy. la la. Yeah, so I feel like this foundation, like it's really dewy, but kind of like oily dewy, and it feels like it just slide in, which is never a good thing. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use also Laura Mercier, but in this shade is Honey. So I lighten up the foundation like a little bit. I shouldn't have to do that much work for foundation to just work. But again, that's not necessarily about the foundation. I just picked the wrong shade. However, there was not very like a lot of choices, and it looked fine on mine. But I guess when you get here, it's not fine. It's fine though. Okay, and then let's jump back into that pinky shade right here. And for my waterline, so we're gonna use this one. It is Woodstock from Urban Decay. I think this will go fabulous. Fabulous with this look. Okay, let's dust some stuff. What am I putting in my waterline? No waterline, sorry, my inner corners. I don't know. Let's see what Escape looks like. Yeah, that's fine. Escape is like this middle shade right here. Let's bronze. Let us bronze. First, I'm going to go into 10 from Juvia's Place. Actually, I'm just gonna use this as my bronze. If I'm using this shade, I'm gonna use the darker shade to like contour. And then I'm gonna use my Alleyoop brush, and I'm just gonna go into that darker shade. Okay, blush. What are we gonna use for blush? Man, a while ago I was messing with this brush and it just came out. I'm like, oh god. I'm not too worried about that. Actually, I'm gonna use this blush from Beauty Bakery, the Brownie Bar. I'm gonna use this shade right here. This eyes is quite pink, so maybe something not so bright. So we're gonna use this. This is from Evier Beauty, and this shade is Val. Something in my mouth. I'm actually gonna put this lipstick on. Well, it's a lip balm lipstick. It's 24 karat from Bare Minerals. Cause my eyes are bright. I don't want something too crazy. Okay, let's dust up that powder. Man, my stomach is making noises. I am hungry. And for highlighter, I actually just got this highlighter. This is from BH Cosmetics and Jojo Cat's Prism. I guess they had a collab, and this is Champagne. Ooh. Okay, that's a lot. I was not, you know, that wasn't the plan, but she came to party. She's like, girl, where the party at? I am ready. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. It's a nice pinky kind of look. I know it's a lot of pink, you know, but you know what? Why not? Girls were pink, boys were pink, you know. So I love pink. So yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound. Yeah, I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care. Yeah.